arteriole. This is the efferent arteriole. And you'll notice the afferent arteriole has been cut open, and it is very close to this yellowish green tube. This is supposed to be the last part of the ascending limb of the loop of Henle cut open. So you can see macula densa cells inside the last part of the ascending limb of the loop of Henle, and you can see juxtaglomerular cells inside the afferent arteriole. So afferent arteriole brings blood into the glomerulus. Efferent arteriole takes blood away from the glomerulus. You'll notice that the glomerulus looks different on the two sides. In real life, it would all look like this side. Remember, if the analogy of my fingers kind of curled up were a twisted tuft of capillaries, and let's paint them red to be the glomerulus, if I pushed my hand down into a off-white colored balloon, part of the balloon would stick to my fingers. That's the visceral layer of the glomerular capsule, and part of the off-white balloon would surround my fingers but wouldn't touch it directly. That's the parietal layer of the glomerular capsule. If I were to peel the visceral layer of the glomerular capsule off, you would see the actual capillaries underneath, which is what they're showing you on this side. So for tagging purposes, this is the side that I tag for glomerulus because you can see them on their own. This is the side that I tag for one of two things. One wording on a question card might say, name the specific whitish layer at the tip of the pointer. This whitish layer is called the visceral layer of the glomerular capsule. The second question that you might get on this side would be, name the specific type of cell that makes up the layer. Those specific cells that make up the visceral layer are called podocytes. If you zoom in, you can see each podocyte has a blue nucleus and these little toe-like projections along the cell membrane. So again, from a wording standpoint, if I ask you for specific cells, pointing over here, I'm looking for podocytes. If I ask you for the specific layer, I'm looking for the visceral layer of the glomerular capsule. The parietal layer of the glomerular capsule would be tagged along one of these edges, and that should take care of everything that you have to know on this piece of the model.